Hey folks, Rob. I'm back. Same day as I posted another video. Guess what we got? More babies. That's a boy. That's Minnie, the hot, happy mom. And there's a little girl under there. And there's Rhyme with Rhythm. Minnie started taking control of Rhythm. And we heard a rumor that they'll do that right before birth. So Rhyme's getting back. And now Patch is looking like she's got to go. But yeah, I caught this because there's still afterbirth coming out. But the little guys are wagging their tail and already trying to feed on mom, even though her milk sack is about on the ground. All right. So we're doing pretty good here with two girls. I just came out to check on them, and lo and behold, there's babies. So 3 babies on the ground in 3 days. We'll get some names. Patch is, I don't know what she's doing. She kind of looks like she's going into labor. Not yet. She isn't swollen or whatever, but she's always very protective of Minnie. So I'm sure she'll be protective of the babies too. Those two have been sisters for years. So Minnie's just got to push the rest of the afterbirth out. And we'll go from there. There she is with them. So this is really good. The goats are mad because I clocked them out. Is that right, Boo? So I'm going to keep them locked out for a while. And we'll let the moms deal with their kids. All right. Okay, folks. Next day. Goats are doing well. Baby goats are doing well. All the goats are doing well. A little other update. We have moved all the sheep off the pasture. It is pretty well fried. I left them out there too long. This side I left. When the weather was decent, I kind of left them off of that. So there's some good growth. So that'll be the first place they are next year. Once we get going in, this is fried. And this is the west side, the side that we hayed out. But we have this dirt area and the old goat area. It's pretty much mud and dirt. There's really no grass left. There's a little bit of stuff, and it goes back to where the sheep live. And this is where they'll be for the rest of the winter. It's not the greatest dry lot, but it is a dry section. Well, not really. It's been raining and snowing and nonstop. It's mud here. But they'll be out here until probably about maybe April. Maybe sooner. I don't know, but probably April. But we'll have that closed off because we're going to move the pigs into there, and I'll put a little bit of fencing around that. So the pigs will probably go into there unless I get them processed. But essentially they kind of go out to that area, the dirt, and then they stop. So that's their winter area. Of course, the goats have been moved to their winter area. So essentially all this will be dirt from now on. We'll plant it, or put some seed down or whatever. They eat hay out here. So we'll get some growth and whatever, but the pigs, they're in a slop hole. So next year when I can, I will get in here with the harrow disc, cultivator, and plane all that, and I'll plane it and get it back to level and normal. And we will never do pigs like that again. I will never do pigs like that again. But the chickens are still free ranging, but have the chickens in the back and the chickens up front. We're talking about getting rid of some chickens because we got a lot of them. But we're going to move them all up to that coop right there. And we're probably go put some poly 1 fence up. And let them be on poly 1 fence. And keep them in an area. Just let them do that. Okay. Oh, this is weird. Okay. In the goat house. And Patch is under the table. There's... Oh, she's got them all. Gotta fill up the water. We've been busy this morning. Filled it up a little bit, but gotta refill it. There's all the babies. So we got the brown one's Jack. The white one, of course, is Rhythm. And the black one's gonna be Felicia. Because she is the son of Debo. And if you know the movie Friday, Debo was with Felicia one night. But, yeah, Patch is a big goat. Well, she's a big Nigerian. And she is under there. And we believe that she's about ready to go. This is being filmed on December 2nd of 21. And her due date is today. They tend to give birth here, for some reason, in the afternoon. But there's Rhyme. We looked into her a little bit closer, and she's got extra nipples, so that's why she's... It's kind of odd. Hold on. She's got extra nipples, so it kind of makes it a little bit different for the kid goat to... suckle, so she's having kind of problems, but at the same time Minnie is allowing her to suckle from her. She's allowing all 3 goats on. Minnie is a proven dairy goat. They used to farm we got from used to use her for milk, so she has a very large milk sac and some really nice teats. So right now she has enough for all 3. As they get older, I'm sure she won't. But Rhyme is fulfilling her part of the deal, so to say. It's just that the baby sometimes is having a little bit of trouble and just goes somewhere else. I'm really happy that Minnie is being a great mother and allowing essentially a surrogate to be with her. Hopefully it doesn't cause trouble with her, because if it does, she's going to not be happy. And of course, all female goats that we have, all are a bit moody. Because our male buck has no authority whatsoever. All right, so that's it for today. The next day, after the goats were born, if there's more goats born, I'll toss it on the end, but I doubt it. Boo here is scheduled to give birth sometime. I believe she's around Christmas. So we'll see what happens. And Spot over there, right there, I believe her to be bred too. I saw her with the Meltonic Bucky. So, and so was Spot. So hopefully we get some baby kids out of them, baby goats. And we'll see what happens. We'll have a percentage of fainer in them, which is fine. That's a meat breed. And I'm pretty sure that Boo is a Spanish. And Spot is a Nubian Boer cross. The only problem with Spot is that she has double nipples too. Alright. I said I was ending. I'm going to end. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.